Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my Halloween yard game using mostly Dollar Tree materials. My inspiration came from the singular die I saw at home. I originally made 2, but the skulls were wrong, so I made 4 more using these extra large dice from the Dollar Tree. You can also use these smaller dice if you wanted to cut costs, because you get 2 to a pack and you need 6. But I just thought that the little skulls looked a little too close together. Besides, I wanted it to be the larger size. I also used some of the black model magic because you get more bang for your buck. Plus, I only paid $2.40 for a large bag at Hobby Lobby. I had some rub and buff silver in my stash, and once again using my Temu skull mold. I'm getting a lot of use out of my $2 mold, so that was a good buy. I also used some Rust-Oleum black spray paint because I found you really can spray paint those larger dice. The clear Gorilla Glue because you want a permanent hold in Florida, and then I needed a dice because I needed to know where to put the skulls. I also used some of the Cricut vinyl to decorate my bucket. And I picked up a bucket for $5 at Home Depot. The first thing I did was I took those stickers off of the die using my heat tool. They came right off. And then I did spray paint them black. I know the smaller dice kind of shrivel up, but those didn't. And then I began to make a bazillion little skulls. You need 21 per dice. So I just made them, and then they were already black, but if you're using another color, of course, paint them black. And then I went and with my rub and buff, and I added some silver, and I glued them on like they were dice, and my dice were done. But then I needed a bucket to put them in, so using my Dollar Tree vinyl in the Cricut Design Space, I decided to call my game Skullzee. Get it? I made some dice, and using the washi setting and running it through 2 times through my Cricut, I found that it weeds very well. So I really do enjoy using the Dollar Tree vinyl, just so you know. And then once it was all weeded, I put it on my bucket, and I was so intent on getting my sign straight, but unfortunately I didn't put it in the center of my bucket, but oh well, it's okay. And then I made a printable for my game. And if you like this printable, I'll leave a link to my Dropbox in the comments. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed this fun little project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.